Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you some amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, smarter, and more fun. Each gadget is practical, stylish, and super useful. Once you see them, you won't be able to look away. So, make sure to watch the video till the end and tell me in the comments, which gadget did you like the most? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Kitchen and Home Review, where you'll find brand new product reviews every day. So friends, let's start. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Salad spinner. Quick push and one-handed operation salad spinner. Press the handle. The inner basket will rotate smoothly and stable at high speed, so it will separate and remove water from greens in seconds. It works equally well for left and right-handed users. Excellent design of vegetable spinner. A quick brake button allows for an immediate stop. The foldable pump handle for easy storage. The widened anti-slip silicone ring at the bowl helps the spinner stay stable during operation and protects the tabletop from getting scratched. Fully transparent design. High-quality plastic to make the whole salad spinner completely transparent. Not only is it convenient for you to see if all the water in the greens has been drained, but it is also a beautiful piece of kitchen art. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5-quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3-quart covered saucepans, 7-quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Rotary food mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable, secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Silicone oven mitt set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof, slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes two generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide into 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean. Scrub sponge. Make cleaning effortless with the scrub sponge. Built with a dual-layer design, this sponge combines a soft absorbent side for gentle wiping and a tough scrubbing side to tackle grease, stains, and stuck-on food. Perfect for dishes, pots, pans, sinks, and countertops, it delivers streak-free cleaning every time. Durable and long-lasting, the scrub sponge is lightweight, easy to hold, and safe for most cookware. An essential kitchen cleaning tool that keeps your home fresh and spotless. Pressure cooker. White heavy checkmark, healthy and safe material. The DeLuban stainless steel pressure cooker is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance to ensure that no harmful substances are released or react with your food. Preserve the flavor of food in the healthiest way, so you can experience its true, original taste. Aluminum products may release harmful substances during high-temperature cooking. White heavy checkmark, advanced safety design. DeLuban induction pressure cookers feature innovative automatic pressure-limiting valves, self-locking valves, safety valves, and safety windows. The automatic pressure-limiting valve keeps the pressure at optimal levels during cooking. When sufficient pressure builds inside the cooker, the central rod of the self-locking valve rises, and once the pressure is released, the rod lowers, allowing the lid to be opened. If the internal pressure exceeds the safety limit, the safety window automatically releases the pressure. Refrigerator pantry organizer bins. 10-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable drain tray design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Silicone spatula set. Premium 100% food-grade silicone. The silicone spatula set is made of healthy and friendly material, resistant to high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. No more melting, cracking, and worrying. One piece for easy to clean. With the unique seamless one-piece design, there is no crevices for food to stuck in. The handle will never enter the water. It is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Best balance of flexible and sturdy. Too stiff or too soft. Nobody wants that. So we experimented over and over again to try to find the best balance of hardness and flexibility. Here it is. They are sturdy enough to bear pressure and soft enough to reach side of bowl. Safe for non-stick cookware. Our silicone rubber spatulas are gentle on cookware, leaving them unmarked. They're great for non-stick pans. You don't have to worry about scratching your loving and new pots and pans.